So the n minus 1 derivative of e raised to x cos x is 2 raised to n minus 1 by 2 e raised to x cos x plus n minus 1 I by 4, and the n minus 2th derivative will be equal to, so that will be 2 raised to n minus 2 by 2 into e raised to x cos x plus n minus 2 pi by 4 varum. Now let us substitute the values. So therefore x square e raised to x cos x n, that will be equal to x square into the nth derivative, so that will be 2 raised to n by 2 e raised to x cos x plus n pi by 4 varum plus nc1 is equal to n upper n into 2x varum, then 2 raised to n minus 1 by 2 e raised to x cos x plus n minus 1 pi by 4 plus nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 into 2 varum, 2 raised to n minus 2 by 2 e raised to x cos x plus n minus 2 pi by 4. So e raised to x is common in all the terms, so e raised to x, so let us take that outside, so remaining you have 2 raised to n by 2 x square cos x plus n pi by 4, then the second term you will have nx, then this will become, so you have 2 into 2 raised to n minus 1 by 2, so you will get 2 power n plus 1 by 2 varum cos x plus n minus 1 pi by 4, and in the next term 2 will cancel off and e raised to x will go out, so that will be n into n minus 1, 2 raised to n minus 2 by 2 cos x plus n minus 2 pi by 4. So that is the required nth derivative. Now let us look at another problem. Given the function y equal to log x by x, we need to prove that yn equal to minus 1 whole raised to n into n factorial by x raised to n plus 1 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 etc. minus 1 by n. So we are given the function y equal to log x by x, and we are asked to find y. So let us take u to be 1 by x, കാരണം 1 by x that is in the form 1 by ax plus b, we know the expression for the nth derivative, and let us take v equal to log x. അപ്പോൾ log x ന്റെ derivatives നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു പോകാം. Okay, so by using Leibniz theorem, so yn will be equal to, so we'll start with un, so the nth derivative of, so 1 by ax plus b യുടെ nth derivative എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് so that will be minus 1 whole raised to n factorial a raised to n by ax plus b whole raised to n plus 1 വരും. So here the nth derivative of 1 by x will be minus 1 whole raised to n factorial by x raised to n plus 1. So that will be minus 1 power n factorial by x raised to n plus 1 vary. Then you have log x in the first term. Okay, this is un b. Now in the second term you have nc1 u n minus 1. So you need the n minus 1 the derivative of 1 by x. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ n ന് പകരം n minus 1 കൊടുക്കുക. So that is minus 1 raised to n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial by x raised to n വരും into log x ന്റെ first derivative 1 by x വരും plus nc2 then the n minus 2 derivative. So that will be minus 1 raised to n minus 2 factorial by x raised to n minus 1 vary. Then this is going to be minus 1 into 1 by x square. That's the derivative 1 by x. Then we will have nc3 minus 1 raised to n minus 3. Then n minus 3 factorial by x raised to n minus 2 vary. And the derivative of this is going to be minus 1 into minus 2 1 by x cube vary. Now continuing like this, the last term is going to be ncn into u ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. u is 1 by x and the nth derivative of this is going to be ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരു പാറ്റേണിലാണ് വരുന്നത് -1 then 1 by x square then you have -1 -2 1 by x cube അടുത്ത ടേം വരുമ്പോൾ -1 -2 -3 1 by x raised to 4 വരും. So when you come to the nth term, so that will be equal to -1 -2 up to minus of n minus 1 into 1 by x raised to n vary. Okay, so that is going to be the nth derivative of log x. Now let us simplify the terms. So in the first term you are going to get minus 1 whole raised to n factorial by x raised to n plus 1 log x plus this is n c1 nc1 n vary. And so you will get n into ഇവിടെ n into n minus 1 factorial എനിക്ക് n factorial എഴുതാം. So n factorial minus 1 raised to n minus 1 by x ന്റെ powers combine ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x raised to n plus 1 വരും. And in the next term you have nc2 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, so minus combine ചെയ്യുമ്പം you will get minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. Then nc2 is n into n minus 1. അപ്പോൾ n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ again n factorial വരും by ഒരു 2 ഉണ്ടാവും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ x raised to n minus 1 plus 2 അതിൻ്റെ പവേഴ്സ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ x raised to n plus 1 വരും. Then in the next term nc3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. അപ്പോൾ 1ഉം 2ഉം ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. താഴെ ഒരു 3 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. ഇനി n minus 1, n minus 2 combined with n minus 3 factorial will be n factorial. So we will have n factorial. ഇനി ഇവിടെ n minus 3 ആണ്. ഈ രണ്ട് മൈനസും കൂടി ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ പവർ n minus 3 plus 2 വരും. So that is again minus 1 raised to n minus 1 വരും. And x ന്റെ പവേഴ്സ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പം by 3 ബാക്കി വരേണ്ട ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ x raised to n plus 1 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. So continuing like this, in the last term NCn is equal to 1. ഇനി ഇവിടെ minus sign is coming n minus 1 times. So minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So this is this will be n minus 1 factorial. ഇനി n minus 1 factorial നെ എനിക്ക് n factorial by n minus 1 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. That will be equal to n minus 1 factorial. അപ്പോൾ x ന്റെ പവർ ഇവിടെ x raised to n plus 1 വരും. So in each term you have minus 1 raised to n minus 1 raised to n common എടുക്കുക. n factorial is there in every term. x raised to n plus 1 is there in every term. So let us take the common terms outside. So let me take minus 1 raised to n, n factorial and x raised to n plus 1 common. ആദ്യത്തെ ടേമിൽ minus 1 raised to n, n factorial by x raised to n ആണുള്ളത്. log x വരും. ഇനി ബാക്കി വരുന്ന ടേംസിൽ minus 1 raised to n minus 1 ആണുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കി എല്ലാത്തിലും ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ വരും. So that will be minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, so on, minus 1 by n. So that is the required result.